the Arabic words, though that's important. It means helping them understand the profound spiritual principles embedded in these verses. It means raising a generation that sees Allah's hand in every blessing, that trusts in divine provision, that gives freely because they know their true wealth comes from the infinite source. Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, reported another stunning hadith. Whoever makes it a habit to recite Surah Al-Waqiah at night will never be afflicted with poverty. The key word here is habit. This isn't about reading it once and expecting miracles. This is about making it a spiritual practice, a nightly journey into the depths of divine truth. When you recite Surah Al-Waqiah at night, you're doing more than just reading Arabic words. You're programming your subconscious mind with divine principles. You're aligning your spiritual frequency with the cosmic order. You're reminding your soul of its true purpose and its ultimate destination. The night hours are special in Islamic tradition. It's when the veil between the seen and unseen worlds is thinnest, when prayers are most readily answered, when the heart is most receptive to divine guidance. Reciting Surah Al-Waqiah during these blessed hours multiplies its spiritual impact exponentially. But here's a secret that many people miss. The real transformation happens not during the recitation, but in how the verses change your daily behavior. When you truly internalize the message of Surah Al-Waqiah, you begin to live differently. You become more generous because you trust in divine provision. You become more grateful because you recognize the source of every blessing. You become less anxious about the future because you know your sustenance is guaranteed by the Creator of the universe. The three groups mentioned in the surah become a daily reference point. Before making any decision, you ask yourself, will this action place me among the foremost, among the righteous, or among those who've gone astray? This constant self-accounting leads to better choices, which lead to better outcomes, which lead to increased blessings. Modern quantum physics has discovered something that the Quran revealed 14 centuries ago. Everything in the universe is connected. Everything vibrates at specific frequencies, and changing your internal state can literally change your external reality. When you recite Surah Al-Waqiah with sincere contemplation, you're raising your spiritual vibration to match the frequency of abundance and blessing. The companions who practiced this nightly recitation reported remarkable transformations. Umar ibn al-Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, once said, I have never seen anyone fall into lasting poverty who made Surah Al-Waqiah their nightly companion. This wasn't about magic or superstition. It was about the profound psychological and spiritual changes that occur when a believer aligns their consciousness with divine truth. In our modern world, where financial stress has become epidemic, where people work